Stop stressing about your Tesla Model 3 backup camera. Here's how to fix it quickly and easily. First off, let's start with the basics. Have you tried restarting your Model 3? Don't laugh, it works wonders. Just tap controls, then safety and security, and finally power off. Wait a few minutes, then power it back on. If that doesn't do the trick, check your camera lens for dirt or debris. A quick wipe with a microfiber cloth can make all the difference. Still no luck? Head to Controls, then Service, and tap Camera Calibration. This will recalibrate your cameras and might solve the problem. Now let's get technical. Update your Tesla software. Go to Software in the menu and check if there's an update available. Keeping your software up to date can fix bugs and improve performance. If all else fails, you might need to reset the entire infotainment system. Press and hold both scroll wheels on the steering wheel until the screen goes black. This soft reset can clear up any glitches, and there you have it. Simple steps to get your Tesla Model 3 backup camera back in action. If you're still having issues, it's time to call Tesla support. Drive safe and happy troubleshooting.